Tesla's dominance is being tested. In the first quarter of 2025, Elon Musk's electric empire took a major financial hit. Profits crashed by 71%, sales dropped, and their closest rivals are growing faster than ever. So what's really going on behind the scenes? And is this the beginning of Tesla's decline or just a bump in the road? Let's break it down. For years, Tesla has been synonymous with electric vehicles. The company that made EVs cool is now facing its toughest challenge yet, and the numbers tell a story that should worry every Tesla investor and fan. But in just a moment, I'll reveal the competitor that's giving Elon Musk nightmares. It's not who most people think. Let's start with the brutal financial reality. Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings report shocked even the most pessimistic analysts on Wall Street. Net income plummeted by 71% compared to the same quarter last year. That's not a typo, 71%. Revenue fell by 9% year over year, breaking Tesla's long-running growth streak. But perhaps most concerning for a car company, vehicle deliveries dropped by a staggering 20%. Tesla delivered just 386,000 vehicles in Q1, well below expectations and far less than the previous year. The market reaction was swift and severe. Tesla shares tumbled nearly 13% following the earnings call, wiping out billions in market value in a single day. This wasn't just investors overreacting. The numbers genuinely surprised almost everyone watching the company. During the earnings call, Elon Musk acknowledged what he called macro challenges facing the company and announced that Tesla is restructuring operations to protect future margins. Reading between the lines, this likely means layoffs and cost-cutting measures are coming. So what exactly caused this dramatic downturn for what was once the world's most valuable automaker? The answer is more complex and more concerning for Tesla than most people realize. The first and most obvious factor is increased competition. Chinese automakers like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are expanding rapidly with electric vehicles that often match or exceed Tesla's specs while undercutting their prices. These aren't just cheap knockoffs. They're legitimate competitors with strong technology, attractive designs, and improving build quality. Second, the government incentives that once made Teslas more affordable are disappearing. Both US and EU incentive programs have started scaling back or shifting focus to prioritize locally made batteries and components. This change directly impacts Tesla's global pricing strategy, as the company can no longer rely on tax credits to offset their premium pricing in key markets. Third, Tesla's lineup is showing its age. The Model 3 and Model Y remain Tesla's volume drivers, accounting for over 90% of their sales. But both vehicles are now over 5 years old, practically ancient in the fast-evolving EV space. While they've received software updates and minor refreshes, competitors have launched entirely new generations of vehicles in the same time frame. And let's talk about the Cybertruck, Tesla's most hyped product in years. Despite being unveiled way back in 2019, mass production is still severely limited. Reports suggest only a few thousand units have been delivered as of April 2025, far below what Tesla had projected. The controversial design, high price point, and endless delays have dampened enthusiasm even among Tesla's most dedicated fans. But these problems are just the tip of the iceberg, and in a minute, I'll reveal the company that's not just challenging Tesla, but has actually surpassed them globally. First, let's look at the new challenges that are making Tesla's road even rockier. Global trade tensions are creating serious headwinds for Tesla's manufacturing operations. New US tariffs on Chinese EV parts and batteries have made production more expensive, even for Teslas built in American factories. Tesla's supply chain remains heavily reliant on Asian components, and restructuring it will take years, not months. There's also a growing sense of consumer fatigue with the Tesla brand. What once felt revolutionary, minimalist interiors, giant touch screens, over-the-air updates, has been widely adopted by competitors who are now iterating and sometimes improving on Tesla's formula. Meanwhile, long-standing complaints around customer service, build quality issues, and full self-driving delays are becoming harder to ignore as buyers have more alternatives. Perhaps most concerning for Tesla's long-term health is the shift in public perception of the brand. Elon Musk's close alignment with the US political climate has reportedly turned off some international customers and left-leaning US buyers. While Tesla doesn't publish demographic data on its customers, several dealership groups have reported that they're seeing former Tesla owners trading in for EVs from other manufacturers at unprecedented rates. These headwinds might be manageable for a company with a dominant market position and huge cash reserves. But Tesla is now facing a competitor that has already taken their global EV crown and is showing no signs of slowing down. The biggest threat to Tesla isn't Lucid, Rivian, or even traditional automakers like Volkswagen. It's BYD, the Chinese giant that has methodically built an EV empire while Tesla was busy making headlines. In the first quarter of 2025, BYD sold over 1 million vehicles. Compare that to Tesla's 386,000, and you start to see the scale of the challenge. BYD officially overtook Tesla as the world's largest EV seller in late 2024, and the gap is widening with each passing quarter. What makes BYD particularly dangerous is their comprehensive approach. Their vehicles are typically cheaper than comparable Teslas while offering competitive features and technology. Many of their models are plug-in hybrids, eliminating range anxiety without sacrificing electric driving for most daily use. And their fully electric models often include features that Tesla charges extra for. BYD's manufacturing scale is also unmatched. Perhaps most concerning for Tesla is BYD's global expansion strategy. No longer content with dominating the Chinese market, BYD is aggressively entering Europe, South America, and the Middle East with both budget-friendly models and luxury offerings like the Denza Z we covered recently. And unlike previous Chinese automotive export efforts, BYD's products are winning praise from international automotive press. So with Tesla's back against the wall, what's Elon Musk's game plan to reverse the company's fortunes? Tesla's most anticipated project is the long-promised affordable model, sometimes called the Model 2. Rumored to be priced around $25,000, this vehicle is aimed squarely at mass-market adoption. However, recent reports suggest it won't enter production until late 2026 at the earliest, giving competitors plenty of time to further strengthen their positions in the affordable EV segment. On the manufacturing front, Tesla is betting big on what they call unboxed manufacturing, a radical redesign in how electric vehicles are built. This approach promises to drastically reduce production costs and assembly time. If successful, it could give Tesla a significant advantage, but implementing such fundamental changes to manufacturing processes always carries substantial risks. Musk continues to double down on Tesla's AI and autonomous driving capabilities. During the recent earnings call, he hinted at major autopilot advancements to be announced at Tesla's AI Day 2025. These could range from improved self-driving features to the long-promised robo-taxi service that would allow Tesla owners to earn money by adding their vehicles to an autonomous ride-hailing fleet. Finally, Tesla is working on next-generation battery technology, but the question remains, are these moves enough, and will they come soon enough to reverse Tesla's declining fortunes? Tesla finds itself at a critical inflection point. The company that revolutionized the automotive industry and made electric vehicles desirable is now fighting to maintain relevance in the very market it created. And the financial numbers from Q1 2025 can't be dismissed as a temporary blip or growing pains. They represent fundamental challenges to Tesla's business model and competitive position. The combination of increased competition, aging products, changing incentives, and shifting consumer preferences has created a perfect storm that even Elon Musk's legendary ability to defy expectations may not be able to overcome. That said, it would be foolish to count Tesla out completely. The company has faced existential threats before and emerged stronger. They still maintain advantages in charging infrastructure, software integration, and brand recognition in many markets. And Elon Musk has repeatedly demonstrated his ability to rally both his team and Tesla's devoted customer base around ambitious goals. What's clear is that the era of Tesla's unchallenged EV dominance is over. The company that once had the electric vehicle market largely to itself now faces dozens of determined competitors, many with the resources and talent to match or exceed Tesla's offerings. For consumers, this increased competition is ultimately good news. It means more choices, better vehicles, and potentially lower prices. For Tesla investors and fans, however, the road ahead looks bumpier than at any point in the company's recent history. Do you think Tesla can bounce back from this? Or is this the moment where new players finally catch up for good? Let's debate in the comments section. If you own a Tesla, I'm especially curious. Would you consider switching to BYD or another competitor for your next EV? Or are you staying loyal to the brand that started the revolution? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're tracking every development in the EV wars, and next week's video might completely change how you see the future of transportation. The battle for electric dominance is just heating up, and you'll want a front row seat for what happens next.